Today in this video, I'm going to take a look at 5 of my favourite effects you can get using the Insta360 ONE RS, using the Insta360 app and the Shot Lab. There's lots of different effects in there that you can create to make your videos pop, but in this video we're going to take a look at my top 5. But if you're new to the channel, please do make sure you subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads, because we're going to be covering lots more of not only the effects on the Insta360 Shot Lab, but lots of other action camera videos coming really soon. So stay tuned, press the bell, give this video a like as well, really does help. Before we jump into the video, if you're thinking about pulling the trigger on one of these cameras, make sure you buy through the link below. Insta360 are giving my subscribers a free battery with every Insta360 ONE RS at the moment. It's a fantastic deal. Go and check it out through the link below. Okay, so effect number 1 is one of my favourites, and it's a new one. It's called freeze throw. And it does do what it says on the tin. You have to grab your Insta360 ONE RS or Insta360 camera and throw it up into the air. Then the Shot Lab will actually freeze the frame right at the top of the throw and take a sort of 360 footage photo and look around and move the video around. It looks really cool. I'll show you what it looks like right now. A couple of tips for you to get the best out of this effect is to try and throw the camera up in the air so it doesn't twist and turn around. If you try and throw it up like that and it doesn't move, then you'll get the best effect from this new freeze throw effect in the Shot Lab. So yeah, that's one of the tips. Also, shoot in 5.7K 30. You always get the best effect shooting in the highest resolution, because when you export, it does export it obviously in 1080p. So always shoot in the highest frame rate because you'll get the best looking footage for any particular effect. That's one of my first ones, freeze throw. Next is shadow clone. Shadow clone is a really cool sort of transitional shot if you're doing something, so cooking, teaching, if you're doing a tutorial, you could use this in your videos to sort of transition from one period of the video to the next. I've done a couple of shots in my studio, in the living room, of just me knocking about. You could add this into a vlog, for instance. It's a really cool effect. All you have to do is put your Insta360 ONE RS into the cage and then on a tripod and put it up as high as you want around you. Put it in the middle of the room and then stay for about 10 seconds in different places around the camera. Go into the Shot Lab and then let the Shot Lab do the magic. It processes it. You can track the person walking around the camera, and it actually captures you in different locations. Merges that all into one clever bit of footage called the shadow clone. Really good, really fun, and like I said, you can be the creative person when it comes to using these effects. You can put them into your videos however you like, or just upload them onto Instagram or any other social media platforms. Really clever effect, the shadow clone. Again, for a transitional shot, you could do the stop motion, and I absolutely no idea how it does this, but it's so clever. All of these effects are so clever. For this one, you just hold the selfie stick out to the side like that, walk along, say, a field like I did earlier, and then it just sort of captures you walking along, but you look like a statue. You freeze frame, your legs don't move, you're not walking, and it's just a really fun, different kind of shot that you can put into your videos. Like I said, I don't know how they do it, but it's one of my favorites. I like to use it in my vlogs, in my videos, for transitional periods, even in tech reviews, from getting one place to the next. Instead of just having a transition, you can use this cool little effect. It's another one of my favorites. Insta360 cameras are synonymous with the tiny planet effect. It's something you can only get with 360 cameras. It's amazing, it looks brilliant, and again, it's something different that no other camera can do. The parallel planet effect is something, just a little tweak on the tiny planet effect, and you sort of walk around this parallel planet. It's hard for me to explain what it looks like, but you can see it on the screen here. All you have to do is put your camera on a tripod like this, stand 2 meters away and walk around in a circle. You can dance, you can skip, you can do whatever you want, but it just brings out this really cool effect called parallel planet. Another one of my favorites, and again, like I said before, with all these effects, you are the creator. This camera is only limited by your imagination, really, so you can use it in your videos however you want to. Another one of my favorites, parallel planet. Number 5 on this particular list, I'm going to have more lists coming up, so make sure you do stay tuned and press that bell so you don't miss any future notifications like I've said. Now, horizon flip is another brilliant feature. All you have to do is hold your camera out like that, walk along. I recommend recording for about 2 to 3 minutes so you get a nice chunk of footage. Walk around some cool forest or city or whatever it is, and then you can go into the shot lab again, press horizon flip, use a theme, let the app do the magic. It does everything for you, and you get this really cool horizon flip effect. The shot lab is the best thing about the Insta360 cameras. GoPro do not have anything like this. They need to up the game when it comes to using the app. Even if you're just recording standard 360 footage, you can go into the app and add keyframes. You don't have to use the effects. You can customize and keyframe the footage to your heart's content inside the app. You don't have to do it on any desktop studio, although you can, and the desktop studio from Insta360 is unbelievable, so powerful. But everything in there is brilliant, so easy. There's so many things you can do, and every time they update the camera, they generally bring out a different effect as well. So they're just updating the shot lab and the app all the time. It just gets better, and it's hard to beat really when it comes to shooting 360 footage. They are the king of 360 cameras, Insta360. I fully recommend it. They have got a sale on at the moment. It's going from the 24th of May, I do believe, so go and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description down below, and if you subscribe to the channel, they're giving away a free battery with the Insta360 ONE RS at the moment. It's a brilliant purchase, so don't miss that at the moment. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like I said, do stay tuned, because not only have we got lots of more Insta360 footage coming soon, we've got lots of other tech videos on a weekly basis. So make sure you stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. See you soon, guys. Bye.